just wrapped up a meeting in Brentwood. It's 9 o'clock at night, and I feel energized. Let's cross something off the bucket list. I want to go someplace I've never been. I'm going to go to Yosemite National Park. It's about bucket lists. Yeah, let's do it. I'm excited. I'm fired up. You fired up? You fired up? Let's do this. Here we go. Adventure time. Well, good morning, everybody. I am here at Yosemite National Park. It's just about sunrise, maybe 4:30 in the morning here. It's coming from Los Angeles, driving most of the night. I can't wait for the sun to come up a little bit more, and we get to explore Yosemite National Park. This was basically a crossing off of a bucket list kind of thing for me. I have my drone here, so we're going to get some aerial shots of Yosemite National Park, see what we can get there. And if you're silent, you can hear the engine of the Suburban, but if that was turned off, you would hear running water coming down. This was sort of my home for the night, this Suburban behind me.